2017 Hemi with a 5.7 liter motor in it, guys.
Yeah.
And what size those tires?
They're about 34 inches by, I think they're 10.
10, they look like they're a little thick, a little wider than 10.
They may be. They're pretty much just a little bit bigger than the factory.
Yeah.
Guys, I found out later that this church music was copyrighted, so I had to play a soundtrack over top of this video.
Blackouts, taillights, and headlights on it.
Right. Oh, you blacked them out?
Yeah. Yeah, I've got the taillight blackouts on it.
Now, did you buy those like that, or?
No, I bought the taillight to put them on.
All custom, guys.
Yeah, it's got Flowmaster exhaust on it.
Oh, yeah, I see that. They're flippy.
Yeah.
Not like that. I would tell you guys my nickname, but I don't want nobody picking on me. Those can solve fall. What's those talking? Those like fall lights?
Yeah, they're driving lights. They're hooked up and work.
We're gonna walk around this bar first.
And you can't see them during the daytime, but I got rock lights up under it too, but they don't show up during the daytime.
You was telling me that you got a lift kit too, don't you?
Yeah, it's a zone off-road 2-inch lift on the front.
2 inches. So this is the if I had a truck, this is the only thing I want is 2 inches on it, man.
Yeah.
I don't want to be all high and stuff, but this is it right here. This is a 2-inch lift. I'm gonna walk around and we're gonna come back through and we're gonna look at that motor. I see you got some LEDs up in there.
Yeah. LED.
This right here, see that?
That's my father. He passed away when I was 4 years old. Yes, sir.
I'm a Navy guy.
I honor him every time we go to a show.
That's cool, man. That's what it's about, you know?
Mm-hmm. And I got the blacked out headlights and the driving light covers. I made, you can't buy them. I had to make him for the driving lights.
Oh, the bottom?
Yeah.
That's cool. Now I like that color. You said it was metallic
It's
in
a
there?
black pearl metallic. It's a factory Mopar color.
Man, this is an awesome looking vehicle, man. I tell you, this truck is nice. I can't even get the whole truck in the frame. I mean, it doesn't do it justice right there. And you from Missouri, and I've never seen you ride.
Well, I live in Bristol, Tennessee.
Oh, Tennessee, okay, that's why.
Yeah. I used to live in Virginia, and I have been for a long time born in Virginia.
Look at that metallic. How many of you guys sit in metallic? Yeah, there you go. Look at that metallic, man. Oh, you ain't that pretty? That is pretty right there, guys. 1,500, guys.
And the steps have been rhino lined to match the rhino line and everything else.
Now, did you do that, or did you have somebody?
I had rhino lines in Bristol done it down here.
I also see that you got your brush guard right on line too.
Yeah, I had him do. He done it. All the rhino line he done.
That's pretty tough, sir. It matches that curl really good.
Yeah, it really does. I never, until just a while back, I never paid attention how much it did blend in.
Especially on the sun. I mean, you got the sun right on it.
Oh yeah,
you came early, got your parking spot.
Oh yeah.
Come back, get you back here, guys. I never seen this. I like that little accent here.
Yeah, that's why that was factory with that brush guard or the roll bar.
Actually, rhino line that too, huh?
Yeah.
Got his flags and that blue flag right there with the blue line. In case you guys don't know, that's for police officers. Guys, so salute to our police officers, and hey, like I said, salute to all the people in armed services as well.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Big supporter of them.
Now let's show me again that because I don't know if I had it on before recording when you showed me those chains. Now,
Okay.
Flippy made these, and this is pretty neat, guys. When you go into car shows, look at that. See, did you weld that thing?
Yeah, it's solid welded and then bent.
What was that, powder coat?
Yeah, had them powder coated. A friend of mine had a buddy who powder coats. Okay. There you go.
He even got a fan that matches the color, boy. Shoot, Flip ain't no joke, boy.
You got to stick with the same colors.
What type of system does this come with?
The radio, it's all factory inside. So yeah, the only thing I've done interior really is just add the seat covers.
This, like I said, 2017 guys, I do with this clean, man. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she's clean. He did a good job.
I spend a lot of time keeping her clean.
Good job with that.
I drive her every day, and black's hard to keep clean.
Oh yeah. It's black, but it got that metallic in it,
Yeah.
you know? All right, so now let's go. Now I see, what did you have that, now does that light up? I see you got a little plastic decal.
Yeah.
How did you have somebody make that?
Yeah, there's a place out, I think in Illinois, I believe where it's at, made it. and you can barely see it, but it's supposed to light up blue. But it's so bright you can't really tell it.
So would you send off and they send it back?
I sent a picture of my truck,
really?
And it's engraved like a etcher.
Yeah, I see the other LEDs.
Yeah. I'm working on a little, still got some more stuff to do under here yet.
I'm gonna have to get that. You know the website for that?
Light exceptions. I think I will see if I can find them real quick.
So what is all this? So is this for your LEDs right here, or?
No, that works all the like the driving lights. It works. I got blue lights in the grill, and it works the lights under the bottom. It's got a remote switch. You can
now who did that for you?
Rhino Lines put that on too.
They did that too.
Yeah.
That's right there on Lee Highway, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Got that big V8 up in there, man. Look at that. She's looking good, Flippy.
So if I can.
You know, it's not too much and stuff, man, and that's what I like about it. She's clean, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna walk back around here.
Name of it was Enlightened Obsessions. They was on Facebook.
All right, Enlightened Obsessions. All right. All right, guys. Hey, I want to shake a hand.
Thank you.
Make a friend with Flippy, guys.
Yes, hope to see more of you.
Oh, you will, man. You will, man. So I just want to turn this camera around here. Me and Flip, come turn around, Flip. So me and Flippy up here at our first car show, with my first car show. Is this your first car show?
I've done it. No, this year, yeah.
Yeah, so this is my first car show here in Bristol, Virginia. You guys were up here in Abilene and stuff, having a great time. Yeah. And I want to appreciate my new friend, guys. And this is what these car shows is about. I love going to the car shows, man, because every time I go to a car show, I always meet a new friend, guys. You know, and I always tell people, just like in my shop, you only a stranger once. You know
yes, sir.
So I'm pretty sure I'll see him at the drive-ins down on State Street where my shop is. They have them right there, at the end of State Street, and they also have them on the Tennessee side as well. So, hey, I'm gonna tell everybody, like I said, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. Cigar Man out.